Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. This is part 4 in a series of Christmas DIY, so I'm really excited. And I'm going to be doing some jewel cone tabletop trees, the mini Christmas trees that are all the rage for the last few years. So if you want to know how I created these, then you definitely want to watch this video. I really had a good time making these. I saw some in the store and I actually bought 2 of them, but I wanted some glitter ones that were like sort of the jewel cone ones that they used to have back in the day. These are like a throwback, so I figured I'd make my own, and we're gonna get right into it right now. So all you're gonna need is some scissors to cut it, a sponge. This sponge brush is from the Dollar Tree. I'm using sequins instead of large chunky glitter because that's what they used back in the day, and this is the color that I'm going to be decorating with. And just some regular glitter from any store. Most people that DIY and craft usually have this on hand. Regular decoupage or whatever type of glue that you want to use, even Elmer's would be just fine. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. So, oh, I forgot, and some tape. I forgot. And yes, I know that tape looks extremely ghetto, but I could not find the regular tape. So this is the shape that we're going for. I'm going to be doing 3 of them. This is the first one I did. That's a small mini. That was my practice. I figured I'd do that one, so if it gets messed up or whatever, then I'll know what to improve on. But I'll show you how you actually make the shape of it. This I got from the Dollar Tree. You're going to start from the corner, and it's, by the way, it's just cardstock. And you're going to make sure that you cut it in a semicircle. Make sure that the circle is not too sharp, and that's basically it, because if it's too sharp, then you're going to be, having to trim it off and later on. And now this is the good part. All you have to do is, I'm going to be doing a trio of them. I wanted 3 in 3 different sizes, even though these two look almost the same size. But so you're just going to roll it up. It's that simple. If you want it wider, then just roll it looser. If you want it tight, really tight, like a very pencil type cone, then all you have to do is just roll it tighter. I'm gonna do mine's, the average regular size. And so here we go. I just already taped them up. Don't worry about the tape, we'll get to that later. But you can see I have a trio of 3 different ones. I already have my my decoupage and my glitter all set and ready to go. Now I also have a bowl that I have my actual sequin in, and just to show you really quick the bowl, and we'll get to that in just a second also. First thing you're going to do is you're going to just take a lot of decoupage. You do need a decent amount because you want it to be able to stick, and you don't want to have too many spaces to have to go back over, because then you'll have to wait until it's dry in order to do it. And then from there you're just going to start sprinkling, and it's just so easy and so simple, just like that. Now I'm going to be doing 3 that look the same, but they're also going to be different, slightly different. The largest one I'm going to do with chunky glitter. This one, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a gradient with the silver on the bottom, and a little bit of gold in between. And oh, by the way, like I said, don't worry about the tape. Once again, that's going to get all covered up. Nobody's going to even know it's there. And then the small one, I'm going to do a mix between the largest one and this one. So all you're going to do is continue to just applying the Mod Podge, decoupage, whatever you want to call it, around, and just sprinkle on. And you see how fast and how pretty this is coming out. I love it. I just love the holidays, especially for decor. So it's really simple, and I don't know about you guys, but crafting is so relaxing to me. And for some reason, glitter makes me happy. I could do this all day. Of course I can't, but I could do this all day. So you're just gonna shake off the excess, and wherever you see where you might need a little bit more, because I want to make this like an even line all the way around, just gonna apply a little bit more. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's perfect for you. And that's the good thing about crafting. It's so much fun. Now when you're shaking it off, don't make the mistake I made. I don't know why I got that little stingy piece of paper when I know I'm going to take whatever I shake off and put it back into the bottle. That's the glitter rule. You try to save as much glitter as you can, shake off the excess, and then just pour the rest. Just, cone the paper up and pour it back in there. Why did I use that little piece of paper? But anyway, I'm going to continue this on all the way up. Right now I'm going to be switching to the gold, but I'm going back to the little cone because I wanted to add gold on the top of the little cone so it reflects the actual the sequins. Now we're going to get to the sequins right now that I had in the bowl because I mixed it all up with a little bit of silver and gold glitter, and I had another little glitter that was like a little dull gray that I mixed in there also. And now we're just going to apply it. Now remember, this is the little cone that's going to be like sort of a mixture between the large one and the medium one. But you can see how pretty it's coming together. Those sequins, they really give you that throwback feel that they had with those jewel cone tabletop trees that they had back in the day. Now this right here is the largest cone. I just wanted to skip to this because I had to show you guys how pretty this is. Do you see this mixture? It's the same mixture, but it looks different on this cone because this one I didn't apply anything to it first. I just put the decoupage on there, Mod Podge, whatever you want to call it. I just put the glue on there, and now, simple as it is, it's already mixed. I'm just grabbing a handful and I'm sprinkling it on. I just love the way it looks and the way it's turning out. And I don't know how you crafters feel, but when you're crafting and whatever you imagine in your head looks exactly the way you wanted it to look, you're so happy. And this is one of those times where this came out and it looks exactly the way I wanted it to look. Awesome. Once again, where the tape is, you're not going to see that at all. You're really not. And just fill in where you end it and sprinkle more glitter. So I'm just going to continue this all the way up this cone. This one is the largest cone, and I wanted this whole cone to have this look completely. And mixing it up saves so much time. You guys see how pretty that is? Wow. Yep, so I'm just going to finish this up and I'll come back and show you guys what all three look like. Here we go. I absolutely find this so fascinating. I don't know why I find it so fascinating, but it was just so inexpensive. $1 for cardstock, and then just use whatever you have as far as crafting supplies. Now right now it's still drying, so they're not completely dry, so a little bit of it's being reflected back, but oh my goodness, these came out so pretty. All I did was I put them on a charger just to finish the video to show you guys, but this is what it looks like on my table now that they're all dry. Aren't they beautiful? And if you want to know, like if you want me to put up a video about my tablescape and how I decorate it for the holidays, because I'm almost done for my living room and dining room, let me know when you comment below or shoot me a quick email and I'll go ahead and get that video up. But I really had a good time. I hope you guys try this DIY because it was awesome. In the meantime, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and comment below. I would love for you to be a part of my family. Stay safe during the season and blessed.